Dear students, now I am going to explain the syllabus for IGCSE. I will explain this on the whiteboard so that you can easily understand uh, how you have to prepare yourself for the IGCSE exam. Dear students, IGCSE syllabus for physics and its code is 0625. It is divided into two parts. One is for the core candidates, one is for the extended candidates. Core candidates is divided into three papers. This is also divided into three papers. These are the odd combination and extended candidates have even combination. So the difference between the core candidates and extended candidate is that these papers, paper 1 and paper 3, one is multiple choice question and one is the theory, that is structure based questions. These paper 1 and paper 3 based on the core subject contents only. If you will see the syllabus over there, the syllabus is divided into two. One is the core and one is the supplement. In core, only the basic concepts are here, but in the supplement, there are some extra knowledge you should have that will give you the more knowledge about that topic. So over here, if you see paper one, this is of 45 minutes and 30% marks are there for this paper. And the marks are 40 marks because 40 MCQs are there and each MCQ have 1 mark. Then paper 3. Paper 3 is the theory question, theory paper, and it is of 1 hour and 15 minutes and 50% marks are for paper 3. And this paper has 80 marks total. 6 or 7 questions will be there, and the marks will be uh, 80. Then paper number 5. This is there. Paper 5 is there. Here 1 hour. It is of 1 hour and 15 minutes, and 20% marks are there. This is practical. This paper is practical, and 40 marks paper is there. Then extended candidates. Extended candidates, as they have to study more because the supplement subject contents also extra knowledge they have to gain. So they will be able to get A and A plus. This is easy, but here the grades are not A. You can get maximum B or C grade. But if you will choose this even combination, paper 2, paper 4, paper 6, then you can get A or A plus. Okay, A star, you can say. So paper 2 is the same multiple choice question, 40 marks are there and 30% and 45 minutes. But this paper is core, okay, core plus supplement. Similarly, paper 4 is the theory paper and 1 hour and 15 minutes paper is there, 50% marks are there and 80 marks are there. And this is the core plus supplement. Okay. This is also based on the core plus supplement contents of the subject. Paper 6 is different from the paper 4. Paper 4 is the paper 5 is the practical. You have to do the practicals and 20 marks are there. 40 marks paper is there. But paper 6 is alternate to practical. ATP, alternate to practical. This is paper. Over there, you don't have to do the practical. You just have to, the instructions will be given in the question, and according to the instructions, you have to give the observation readings and you have to draw the diagram. The last question of this paper is a little bit experiment over there. That is also only you have to write which what are the apparatus used in that practical, what is the procedure of the practical, what are the precautions of the practical, what is the observation, and what is the calculation needed for that practical. But you doesn't have to perform the practical, perform the experiment. Only you have to write about that. So this is the IGCSE syllabus for physics.